guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk about the makeup that I just bought, the new makeup that I have. I know that I usually don't wear so much makeup. I rarely wear makeup, so this is something, a purchase that I make because, you know, today there is like a sale. Everything in Sephora is like 15 to 20% discount, so of course, like me being me, I can't resist that. So I went to Sephora. Like, I literally line up. There's a lot of people, but you know, we have to do like social distancing, so there's a maximum number of people allowed in the store so therefore we kind of have to queue up outside quite a long time. But then again, like, I went through that and I got a lot of things from Sephora. So this is the bag and let's see what's inside, you know. So I bought Nudestix Mini Nude Skin Kit. Okay, the name is pretty difficult, but yeah, this is the stuff. I have been eyeing on this for quite some time because I love all three items that are in here, and the fact that all of them are mini stuff. So because I rarely wear makeup, so I really appreciate mini stuff. So yeah, we have the Sweet Peach Peony, we got the Sun Kiss, and we have Hey Honey. So yeah, this is super exciting, and the price is also not bad because of course all of them are in mini size. So the next item that I got is Tarte Sea Water Foundation. This is the item, and I got it in the shade 15 Light Neutral, and this is of course mini. All the items that I bought today are actually minis. And then the next one is Tarte Man Eater Mascara. I bought this because I saw this ad from Tarte. In that video ad, they were like swiping the lashes with this mascara, and like when I see it, it's like so amazing because the before it was like so short, and then after they apply this mascara it becomes super long, as if they are wearing false lashes. So I was like really interested, so I got one of these, of course mini as well. And then the other one that I got, it is also mini, but I didn't buy it from Sephora. I actually bought it online, but the item just arrived today. So this is the Givenchy Le Rouge Perfecto, and this is in the shade number 1, Perfect Pink. And so yeah, I got all these 4 stuff that are waiting to be played with, waiting to be reviewed, I guess. Okay, so first of all, of course, my face is naked, there's nothing on it, and yeah, we're just gonna try, maybe we'll try this one first because this is the foundation. I told you guys that I have never had foundation. I always use like concealers. I do need a foundation, and this one looks pretty good because I like something that is pretty lightweight, something I don't really want like a full coverage, so I don't mind if this is not full coverage, but yeah, we'll see how's the coverage. So I have here my beauty sponge, and yeah, just gonna try out. So this is how the shade looks like on my hand. It looks kind of dark, but then again, usually I guess like for foundation you don't need something that is like lighter than your skin, so darker is like acceptable to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap. Okay, honestly, I feel like the color matches me. Like, it's not like when I saw it on the back of my hand, it looks pretty like darker than my skin, but actually after you blend it out, it looks pretty good. Like, it looks like it looks exactly like my skin shade, honestly. So as you guys can see, this is the comparison. This is before anything applied, and this is after the foundation is applied. And yeah, it's pretty good, honestly. I kind of like it. I need to see from this part to see how's the coverage, because I do have like some acne over here, and maybe I look at the chin as well to see how's the coverage as well. I don't like the dropper because every time I pump it can only pick up just a tiny little bit, but I need a lot. Honestly, this foundation, like, you kind of need a lot. Alright, so I actually just put on the foundation like around my face. I don't put it on my forehead because of course like I'm just actually like testing it. So I'm not sure if you guys can see like the difference, but yeah, I feel like the coverage is kind of light to medium. Like it's absolutely not full coverage because you guys can still see like my acne here. Like you kind of need more concealer when you use this, but I absolutely think this is lightweight, which is exactly what I want, because you know, when I see that it is like a kind of a water foundation, that pretty interests me, and it is pretty lightweight. I don't know why there are some stuff over here. Yeah, sometimes it's pretty weird because like when I apply makeup, when I apply foundation, there's suddenly like some dots over here. Like it kind of just pop up, if you guys can see. I don't know, like maybe I need to watch this video to see like was these like there before. If you like something natural, you just want something like to even out your skin tone, not really to like cover up your acne scar or stuff like that, then I guess this is good for you. But if you like something that is like high coverage, then I guess this is not good for you, you know, but it's good enough for me. So the next one I'm gonna try is this particular one right here. This is Givenchy Le Rouge Perfecto in Perfect Pink, and this is, I actually tried this before because previously like I got the sample from the Givenchy store themselves, but then the sample that I got is very small, and I absolutely love that so much. And I found this at an online shop. I think this is original. So what this lip balm does is that this is the color of the stick, but when you swipe it on your lips, it's going to like create this shade that is accustomed to your temperature, I guess. And so yeah, let's try it out. So as you guys can see, the top one I haven't really like put on some lip balm, and the bottom one is the part that I have a lot of lip balm. So let me swipe twice. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but off camera I can see a bit of difference. It's a bit of difference, but it's pretty good, honestly. Like I mean, I don't really want it to look like I'm wearing a lipstick, so it's natural, like it's really natural. Okay, so now I applied onto my lips. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I actually like this color a lot. And then the greatest thing also about this is that a while after you apply, there is a bit of like a cooling effect to it, like so you have this like a cooling sensation. And I don't know if it's just me, but it smells pretty good. Like the smell is pretty subtle, it's not that strong, but it's like you can feel that it's a good kind of smell. I don't know, I can't really explain, but yeah, I absolutely love this so much. Okay, so the next one is this one, Nudestix Mini Nude Skin Kit. I am so excited to try this out. I'm in love. So yeah, okay, so when I open it, it looks like this. So you just take off this paper. Okay. Of course, the tin has the mirror. It's a mini kind of tin, so it's shorter than the normal one. And we got the 3 products right here. Okay, so this is Hey Honey, this is Sunkiss, and this is the Sweet Peach Peony. This is the thing. So it kind of looks similar, right? The Sunkiss and the Sweet Peach Peony. But if I'm not mistaken, Sunkiss is kind of supposed to be a bronzer. So this is the bronzer, this is the blush, and this is the highlight. Okay, let's try it out. So I'm gonna try first with the, I guess with the bronzer. Wow, this is how it looks like. Okay, honestly, it looks kind of dark. I'm kind of scared, so let's just try it. So yeah, this is how it looks like on my skin. So let's just try it out. I guess that's how to apply for bronzer. I'm really not good at makeup. Like some people, they can use the bronzer to make their nose look smaller. Like I absolutely could use that to that kind of skill, and just blur it out like so. Honestly, I'm like, I rarely use bronzer. I have a bronzer, but I use it as my eyeshadow, so I kind of not sure if this is how a bronzer is supposed to look like, so I can't really like tell you guys if this is any good or not. So yeah, this is how the bronzer looks like. I think, I don't know, I can't really tell the difference. Maybe I should put more. And I can probably put it onto my eyelid as well. I love using bronzer as the eyeshadow because that's just a very natural kind of shadow. Is it just me, or I don't know, in real life it looks more like red than brown. I don't know, maybe it is. Yep, I absolutely love using bronzer as the eyeshadow. So yeah, let's just blend this one right here. I guess this is how a bronzer is supposed to look like. If you guys are good at makeup, let me know in the comments down below, because like I really want you guys to teach me in this case. In real life, when I look at the mirror, I feel like it looks okay. Like it's not too like bam, it's not too like bold. I think it's okay. I don't know. The next one we're gonna be using is the blush. So this is Sweet Peach Peony. It's such a nice pink peach color. I absolutely love it. Of course you can twist it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. That's how it looks like. It's very peachy. It's pretty cute. Wow, I love this. I love this so much. I mean, I'm just kind of like in awe of the color. It's such a pretty color. I'm not gonna lie, it's so pretty. Let's blend it out and see what happens. I absolutely love this color, guys. I think this is like my new favorite. This is such a nice color, and it has like this kind of a glossy finishing to it, like, but it's not too glossy. It kind of reminds me of, you know, the M Cosmetics Nectar or something. That one is absolutely pretty as well. Okay, so the next one we have All Over Face Highlight. This is in the shade Hey Honey. From the stick it looks kind of bronze, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, this is how it looks like, and so let me swatch this, and that's how the swatch looks like. If you guys can see, it's a little bit brownish. Just now I slapped a little bit on my face. Yep, this is how the highlight looks like. I feel like I can't see the difference because like the blush is already kind of glossy, so I just can't see the difference. Let's put some here. I think it's not supposed to be like a blinding kind of highlighter. It's supposed to be like a natural one, so you can't really see that much. But I put on some on my eyelid, some on my cheekbone, so I guess like you guys can see a little bit of the shine over there, right? This review has been going pretty well. Okay, so the next one is Tarte Man Eater. This is the product, of course, in mini as well. So let's just open it up. So this is how the product looks like, and pretty excited, honestly. Oh, I kind of like this kind of brush because it's not too like long, like, so it really gets the product on the eyelid or on the eyelashes. So yeah, let's try it on. Wow. All right, so you guys can see this is the before without any mascara, and this is the after. Honestly, I love it so much. I think this is so great. This is so cool. It's like my eyelash looks so long, and it's so well, there's a little bit of more volume. The volume is not that much, but I like how it's making it very long. It's very I guess like curled up. So yeah, you guys can see from the side, it's pretty long and curled. Yeah, so it is good. Honestly, it's so good. This is literally how it looks like in the video. Like, it's just so good. So yeah, I have applied on both of my eyelashes. This is how it looks like, and yeah, it's just so pretty. Like, I don't know, this is actually the most purchase that I got from Sephora. Usually when I go to Sephora, I only buy like one product, and that's that. And this, like, all of this product cost me about like 200 ringgit. I have never spent that much in Sephora, but I absolutely love everything that I bought, especially of course like the lip balm. If you guys can see, I'm wearing full makeup, and I technically just wear lip balm on my lips, and the lip balm kind of looks like I'm wearing lipstick, but not really. So it's like, if you guys don't feel like wearing makeup, if you guys don't feel like wearing lipstick, you definitely should try this Givenchy Le Rouge Perfecto lip balm. It's absolutely amazing. It feels amazing too. It feels very, very moisturizing. So yeah, go ahead and like try this out, you know. Okay, so that is all the review that I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is beneficial for you guys as well. And if you like this kind of like makeup review, skincare review, and stuff like that, you guys can go check out my channel. I have other videos like that too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.